Hmm. In this video, we are going to determine if a set of quantum numbers is allowed or not allowed. So this question gives us a set of quantum numbers and it asks us if they are allowed in a hydrogen atom, and if they are not allowed, say what's wrong with each set. So even though this question is asking us for hydrogen atoms, these rules apply for all atoms. So let's take a look at part A. We have an n value of 3, L value 2, and M value equals 2. If you want detailed explanation as to what each of these numbers correspond to and what they tell you, check out my quantum number video. But to determine if the set of quantum numbers are allowed or not, we just have to ask these three questions. So let's go through them one by one. First, is the first number n a whole number between 1 and infinity? Is this first number between 1 and infinity? It is. So that checks out. 2. Is the second number a whole number between 0 to n minus 1? So between 0 and the first number minus 1. The first number here was 3. So if we go 3 minus 1, that equals 2. That means that we're checking if the second number is between 0, 1, and 2. And it is, so that also works out. Third, is the third number a whole number between negative L and positive L? So L was the second number. So we just have to see whether this third number is between the negative to positive of the second number. So since L is 2, that means the possible values are going to be, let's move this down here, it's going to be negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. From negative 2 to positive 2. And that is within the range. So then that means that also works. This first set is allowed. Let's take a look at part B. Is this first number between 1 and infinity? It is, so that works. Is this second number between 0 and the first number minus 1? So the first number was 4, so 4 minus 1 is 3. That means the allowed values are going to be 0, 1, 2, and 3. And that is between 0 to 3. So that also works. Third, is this third number between negative 3 and positive 3? It is not. It is outside that range, so this number does not work, which means that second set is not allowed. This number would have to be between 3 and negative 3 for this set to work. C. First number. Is this first number between 1 and infinity? It is not, so we instantly can stop here and say that this third set is not allowed. And D. Is this first number between 1 and infinity? It is. Is this second number between 0 and 2 minus 1? So it's between 0 and 1. It is not, because it's negative 1. So this is not allowed, which means that this entire set is invalid. So that's how you can determine if a set of quantum number is allowed or not allowed. Just check, is the first number a whole number between 1 to infinity? Is the second number a whole number between 0 to the first number minus 1? And then is the third number a whole number between the negative second number to the positive second number? And if you're also given a fourth quantum number, ms, you just have to see whether that fourth number is is either positive 1/2 or negative 1/2. If you want to learn how to ace chemistry, if you want to learn what's the best way to study for this class, if you want to learn some neat tricks and tips to take into your exam and do better on them, then you should head over to my website and get this free guide, 12 Secrets to Acing Chemistry. You can head over to www.conquerchemistry.com/chemsecrets. I'm going to include a link in the description below. Check it out. I think it's really going to help you, and you're gonna like it. Until next time, keep working hard and continue the good work.